right, let's see what's inside. What do we got this time? Let's see what the card says. Let mommy see the card.
No, mine.
So what is that?
Jojo Siwa bow.
Yay, Jojo Siwa bow.
And what is this?
Looks like a snow globe.
Oh, that's right. Oh my gosh, what is this?
What does it look like? What is that?
Like a sock.
Looks like a socks.
Oh, what's that? Stickers or stickers? Where does these come from?
Ooh. Show me. Turn it around. Let me see.
That was a boy do.
Hold on.
What
does it say? Put a bow on it. You got a little sweater. Anything else in the box? Yep. Yep. The charms. You get them every month or every time.
What's my purse?
Where's your purse? We'll have to find it.
My purse was...
All right. How do you feel about these items? You like them?